and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm J Castro MUA, welcome. So today we are actually going to go through the summer FabFitFun box. I got my trusty puppy right beside me, but he's lying down. I'm gonna lift him up. Say hello. Oh, hi, say hello. Say hello. No, okay, it's okay. Oh, you're gonna lie on my lap instead, eh? That's fine, I won't interrupt you. If you don't know what FabFitFun box, it's a subscription that you receive 4 times a year. So summer, spring, winter, and fall. You get a big box. It's pretty heavy. You get a box filled with a bunch of items for the season. You can receive beauty products, skincare products, lifestyle products, just a bunch of crap you can get, okay? You can receive a bunch of stuff. So in the box, there are products that every member receives. There are just the regular members, which I am. Basically, I can pick and choose a few products that will go in my box, and then FabFitFun will pick the rest of the products that go in it. And then there are select members, and select members get to pick all the products that they receive in their box. I didn't want to be a select member just because I wanted to see what FabFitFun box would send me, just because not everybody is a select member. So I wanted to see what you guys, if you guys were to do it, what you guys would also be receiving along with the products you picked. So that's why I didn't want to be a select member. I pay $90 every 4 months to receive this box. So you know what? In this video, I go through what comes in the box, what I could have received, and how much the box cost. If you want to see what comes in the FabFitFun box, then please continue watching. So I've opened up the box, and the first thing you receive in the box is the FabFitFun magazine. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna say rarely, I do not read the magazine. The only part I love about the magazine, on the 3rd and 4th page of the magazine, is just a breakdown of all the products that could have been in the box, so the products that you selected and everything like that. So it's just a breakdown of the box in general, and then the rest of the magazine I couldn't tell you because I never read it. I probably should though. We are going to start. The first thing I'm going to say is that they changed the magazine. I don't know if I like it. Before it would give you like a breakdown. I can't even explain it, but it would literally like put the 3 products that you would have chosen that you were allowed to choose from. And then it showed you all the products that everybody received, and then at the bottom it showed you just all the products select members were allowed to pick, and then you would have received one of those. So I don't know, it's just, it was really broken down before. Now it's kind of, everything is just scattered. So the first thing I received was the Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science Refining Micro Polish. I'm gonna read about it, tell you how much it's worth. Where is it? See, like this is not, don't even see it. Oh, there's a fucking 3rd page. Okay, it was literally, I didn't even know there was a 3rd page. Yeah, before everything was just on 2 pages. I definitely liked the way the magazine was before. I don't like this so much. Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. Intelligent is right. This unique formula is curated with plant jojoba beads, which are plant-based, biodegradable, and great for the skin. Just massage it gently into the skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and a fresh, smooth face. And this on its own retails for $57. So this is a product that select members could have received. So it was obviously between this product and a bunch of other products, but because I'm not a select member, FabFitFun just picked for me. So not bad. I'm actually glad that I mean, you can never have too many cleansers. I wear so much makeup, so the more cleansers I receive, the better. Smooths, exfoliates, superfine treatment, gently sweeps away dull surfaces, cells, and purifies pores for all skins, especially oily and dry. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of excited to try this. Moving on to the next product. So this is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ooh. So this again is on the 3rd page. The Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. And this on its own retails for $39. So this is supposed to refine your skin, brighten your skin, illuminate your skin, and nurture your skin. This is also cruelty-free and is made in Australia. So this was actually a product that all members received in their box. I mean, you can't go wrong with a mask. If you wear as much makeup as I do, you need stuff to take care of your skin. And if I don't gotta buy it, well, technically I did buy it, but I'm definitely not spending as much money on the box than I would have if I were just purchasing it on its own. 2 for 2. So far, nothing I'm upset about receiving. Oh my god. Okay, so I received the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel and the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. There we go. Okay. I've never gotten this. I've gotten this before. And they're like amazing, amazing. Like I hear great things about it. I can attest to how great these things are. I love this moisturizer. Love, love, love it. Honestly, your skin feels silky smooth after you use it. The scent, oh my god, this smells so freaking good. I can't even tell you. You need to buy this. You need to buy this. I'm just gonna say it right there. I don't apply it just to my bum bum. I apply it all over my body, and it's amazing. It really is great. The moisturizer is fast absorbing body cream. It helps tighten and smooth like no other. So that's why people use it on their bum bum, because it's supposed to tighten and smooth. So I mean, I haven't used it enough times to notice if it actually makes a difference. This, however, I have never tried, but I'm actually really excited to try. In Brazil, showering is more of a treat than a routine. Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel leaves skin super soft, irresistibly smooth, and always ready for play. Soft and irresistibly smooth. Super soft and irresistibly smooth. That's what it claims. I have a crap ton of other shower gels that I need to go through before I open this one. So I hope that it smells as good as the cream does. I'm not surprised. It probably, I know it does. Like, there's no way in hell that they would make a cream smell so amazing and not have the shower gel smell just as good. So let me read about it to you. So the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Oh, it's like a mouthful. Bum Bum, as the Brazilians do. The all-over body cream is infused with guarana extract for radiant skin, while the shower cream gel deeply cleanses without stripping skin of its natural oils. And I guess you can get these as a set because there's only one price, and that price is $45. This is actually a product that I picked myself, so it was between this and 2 other products, and I decided to go with this. Oh, I wanted these. Sick. I got the Crystal Clear and 2B or New to Be. See what they did there? Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring. Okay, so I have been dying to get these. Once I didn't have a hair tie, and I asked my friend if she had an extra hair tie, and she had one of these. And oh my god, I love it for a few reasons. One, it didn't leave a ring in my hair when I removed the hair tie, which was awesome. 2, they were just it's really cool. Okay, they're not regular hair ties. They're like, they're little springs. So check that out. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Should I test it? Should I test it? Why not? We're gonna test it out. Oh, I love it. I love it. You know what I love about this is that you don't need to tie it too tight because the rings kind of catch on each other and they like link. Honestly, like, look at that. It looks so cool. I hope you can see it. It's so cool. I'm stoked I got this. I kind of opened it and I didn't even get to read about it yet. So let me do that. Invisibobble Original Duo Pack. The answers to all your ponytail problems. This revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. And this on its own retails for $16. So this was something that everybody received in their box. Like I said, there was no markings in my hair after I was done using those. Next. I got it. Next, I received the Grace and Stella Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Okay, Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray. Craving a midday refresher? Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with the fresh and moisturized face. And this on its own retails for $25.95. Okay, this is a big bottle. So the spray all day is something that everybody received in all of their boxes. I love how big this bottle is. You know what, my face can use some refreshing. I applied my makeup a few hours ago, and it's very hot in my room. So with all the camera equipment and everything and the lights, and why can't I open this? There we go. I accidentally tasted it. Tastes fine. It smells really nice. It smells like roses. I don't know, it feels really nice. I like it. Oh, this. Okay, I'm actually pretty stoked about this. So this is the Burn 60 3 resistant bands. Take your workouts to new heights with a set of resistant bands. Use the light, medium, or heavy bands individually or combine multiple bands to find your ideal resistance level. And this on its own retails for $34. You've got the heavy band, you've got the medium band, and you've got the light band. And this product actually was a product that like all members were able to select whether or not they wanted. So it was between this and like 2 other products. I picked this because I want, like the other products I was like, meh. And I was like, hey, I'm like working out at home. I want to stop spending money and going to the gym when I'm not going. So I figured I would get these and start my own little collection so I can start working out at home. Next, I received the Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream. So it stops frizz and lightly conditions. So it says stops frizz, nourishes, and lightly conditions for smooth, frizz-free styles. Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. The name says it all. Combat frizz with this styling cream that smooths conditions and blocks humidity without weighing hair down. And this on its own retails for $28. This was the other Living Proof product that I've ever used, and this is the full dry volume blast. And this it gives you volume, and it's also a texturizing spray, and I freaking love it. So let's see, maybe this will be just as good, hopefully. I can't believe I just did that. I literally I squeezed it to smell it, and I got it on my nose. And there goes my makeup. Right above my lip. I can't believe I just did that! Oh my god! Okay, I need to go wipe this off my face. Fix my face. The fuck? I'm back. I reapplied the foundation on top of my lip and the lip gloss. Because I ended up having to wipe it all off because this just like squirted into my face. It was kind of gross. So this was something that only select members got to pick whether or not they wanted. For me, FabFitFun just kind of picked for me. So next is the Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Exfoliating Foot Mask. Huh, okay. That's pretty cool. I've never had a foot mask, so I'm kind of excited to try one out. Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. Get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow, bark extract, and pumpkin seed exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. And this on its own retails for $32, and this everybody received in their box. So exfoliate with papain, willow bark extract. The polish comes from the pumpkin seed extract, the orange fruit extract, and the lemon fruit extract. And then the soothe and the smooth comes from bromelain and the black tea leaf extract. So these are all naturally sourced with organic ingredients. Let me read what it says. Exfoliate, polish, and renew your dry heels and feet with this exquisite foot mask. Remove those stubborn calluses and dry skin while moisturizing and healing. Trade those pumice stones for this easy-to-use formula that will surely knock you off your feet. So I'm actually kind of excited to receive this just because I've never tried a foot mask, and I do have extremely dry skin on the bottom of my feet. So I'm stoked. I'm kind of excited to try this. But this is what it looks like. Last, I received the XO Sienna felt message board. I can tell you right now, this is something that I picked. It was between this and a few other things, but I really wanted this. Don't ask why, I'm a big kid. I actually want the one that like lights up and you can put the letters in, but this is just as good. I want something to remind me of my vacations coming up, so now I can use this and count down my vacations. XO Sienna Black Felt Letterboard. From displaying your favorite quote to your to-do list, the felt letterboard comes with 189 letters, numbers, emojis, and symbols for you to spell out whatever your heart desires. And this, on its own, retails for $35. Inspired by her daughter Sienna's love of drawing and writing notes to friends and family, Katie Kitchens dreamed up a stationery line that encapsulates, big word, stutter a lot, encapsulates the warmth and happiness of their time spent together. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so I just opened it. I wanted to show you what it looks like. So it's actually a really cute small frame. So yeah, this is felt and you would just poke the letters in through there. You receive a little carrying bag, which is pretty cute for all the letters and like numbers and stuff. That was actually the last product that I received in my FabFitFun box. So technically that completes the video. So this part of the video might seem a little confusing. I did the ending of my video without telling you how much the box is actually worth. So it's the end of the night and I remembered, and now I'm just going to tell you I've already removed all of my makeup and everything. I did the math on what the box came up to, and it came up to $311.95. I paid $90 for my FabFitFun box. I'm happy with every single product that I received. I mean, there's no guarantee whether or not I'm gonna like the products I didn't try, but I'm glad I received them. Do I think the FabFitFun box is worth it? Yes, I completely do. So what you're spending versus what you're receiving, come on. Right? Like, I'm spending $90. I just got $311 worth of stuff. That's not bad, not at all. Yeah, like I think it's completely worth it. I love it. I am about to hop off again. The video will end with my makeup back on. I can't believe I forgot to do the outro. I'm so sorry. I can't believe I forgot to tell you the total of everything and whether or not I thought the box was worth it. I was just trying to like go on with my day. I'm sorry. But we'll jump right back in to the outro. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Come on, you gotta go somewhere else. You can sit beside me. Here, come. Over here. Go away! What are you doing here? I gotta do a video. Do you see I'm busy? Do you see I'm busy? I'm busy. Look. There's a camera set up here. Can you at least look at the camera if I'm taking a picture? No, what am I trying to say? Oh my god. Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno. Crystal clear and new to be, yeah. I received the I received, I'm gonna say it again. Okay, sorry.